So today we're gonna see how to make bhakri. For this we need jawar flour. It's a very good source of protein, fiber and antioxidants. Plain water to make a dough and hot pan. Let's begin. For this we need 1 cup of jawar flour. This is a typical method of making a dough. This is plain water. We will make a dough with plain water. Don't take lot of water at a time. Take little bit of water as required. The more you knead it, softer will be the bhakri, and it won't break in between. The corners won't break when you make bhakri. So try to knead more and more like this. See, this is the way to knead. Jawar is gluten free, so it's very good for weight loss also. You can see it's completely non-sticky. It is very easy to make bhakri. You just need little practice. See, like this you have to knead. Take adequate amount of water. Don't make dough too hard or too soft, otherwise you won't be make bhakri properly. Now we are done with dough. So let's start to make a bhakri. See, this is not compulsory, this is optional, because the lady who is making this is very much used to it, so she is doing by hand. Take little bit of flour first on plate, then sprinkle little flour on it and just start spreading a dough with your hands and fingers. See, like this. Whenever you feel it's not moving easily, you should sprinkle little bit of flour on it. See, like this. It's very easy. You can stop here. You can make little thicker one. She is making too thin. See. This is her method to check whether pan is adequately hot or not. Now we will take bhakri. It's quite tricky, so initially you be careful while taking it. There are chances where bhakri can break while putting on the pan, so be careful, and immediately as soon as you put it on the pan, immediately put water like this, cover all the corners, make it sure that you are putting water on entire bhakri. As soon as that water is dry, you flip it, turn it, immediately turn it. You don't need to cook it very much. Now let it cook. The other side you should cook it properly like this. See, she is checking. First one you have to turn immediately as soon as the water dries. Second side you have to let it cook properly like this, and then when you will turn it, you can see the bhakri is completely ready to eat. See, it is like puri. As soon as you take out the bhakri from the pan, you can use ghee or makhan, whatever you want. It is not compulsory to use anything, but we use ghee basically, and you should put it in one pot, hot pot, something like that, so that it can keep your bhakri very soft and hot. This one is specially for beginners, those who are making for the first time. This is a very small one. See, like this you have to make. It is not compulsory, as I said earlier. Spread the flour, put little bit on the dough also, and just spread it. Put adequate pressure. Don't put too much pressure. The hand should be very light on the to make bhakri. See, like this. Here you can stop basically. Let it be little thick. See, like this. Here you can stop. The question is only of pressure. It should be a very light pressure on the dough to make bhakri, otherwise it will break. See, and while taking it, see, very softly, your hand should be very soft. It is easier than making chapati because it is gluten free, it is non sticky. You don't need belan and all those things, only water. See, like this you have to spread water all over the bhakri, all the corners also you should cover, and immediately, as soon as the water dries, you should turn it. Immediately the water dries, so you should turn it. The gas should be initially it should be fast, but if it is adequately hot, then you can keep it on medium. See, immediately. Now this side you should let it cook properly. And now you have to turn it. Bhakri is very healthy. We should include bhakri in our diet because it is very useful from kids to all age members in family. It has calcium, protein, antioxidants, fibers, as I said earlier, and we should make bhakris of jwari, bajri, ragi, or sometimes you can mix all these three things with rice flour and you can make bhakri. They are very tasty also, and you can eat bhakri with green leafy vegetables. It tastes very nice. So try at home and let me know how was your first bhakri. Thank you.